All right, writers, we are working our way through these informational books. And today I'm going to show you how to create your own table of contents. So, as you know, the table of contents usually comes after the title page, but before the first main paragraph or the first main page of the book. So, you're going to make sure you're clicked on the title page. And you are going to click on slide. So find where it says slide and then click new slide. And ta-da, you have a new slide that came. So now if you look here over on the side, all it did was move your other pages down and it gave you a new slide here. So now it's really giant. It says click to add title. Where it says that, you're going to click it and you're going to write table of contents. So remember, the table of contents is going to tell your readers what are the different sections of the book going to be about and what page will they all start on. So once you do that, it's going to be in the middle of the page, which is not going to be what you want. So just like we do in Seesaw, we're going to move our text box around. So if you click down on that square right in the middle, kind of make it go up. And then on the one on the top, if you line it right up with the top of the paper, that's really where you want it. So let me show you that again. So I clicked at the top square, I dragged it all the way up to the very top and let it go. And now I can take that bottom square again and bring it up until those words, table of contents, are right there at the very top. Okay, so that's where you're going to want that to be. Now, where it says subtitle, again, that's really just another text box. So you're going to want that right underneath your table of contents. So if you can just click that and bring it up. Okay. Once you click on it, you're going to take the headings that you already wrote and you're just going to make those your table of contents. So the first one says, what's the job of the brain? What writers often do is they do ... Have you ever seen that before? It looks kind of cool. So you're going to go over. Now you're going to need to do a little bit of thinking here. So usually authors do not put a page number on the table of contents. So really then, that is going to be page 1. So I'm just going to put 1. Okay. If you get too many dots, let me show you what's going to happen. It's going to go down there. If that happens to you, just hit backspace and delete until it all fits in there. So right there again, I have too much. So I'm going to hit backspace. Hit a 1. Now we're good. So then if you just hit enter, it's going to go down to the next line. So my next heading is, what does the brain look like? I'm going to put that. I'm going to do all my dots. It's going to be a different number of dots than up above, but that's okay. You just want it to all line up on the side over here. So that will be page 2. I'm going to hit enter. What are the parts of the brain? ... And that's going to be page 3. Oops, there it goes. So I'm going to go through, delete some of the dots, and then we're good. Hit enter, and my last section is, how can you make your brain stronger? So I'm going to get all my sections in there. Okay, so that will be page 4. Whoops, did it again. Yours will probably do that too. So anyway, all right. You are going to be adding later a few other things in here. So we're not going to put pictures or anything on this page yet, just in case you need more room later. But your goal today is to create your table of contents. Should say that at the top, and you should have each of your section headings in your table of contents with a page number next to them. All right, writers, writing is so powerful. Give your readers this awesome text feature by adding that table of contents into your own book.